Yofrangel 911. It's called Corona.
My
Corona. It's like a Dominican song. And I think it's Puerto Rican.
Get ready!
That salty Gooby. Is he talking about salt or Gooby?
Okay, changing my magazine! Move!
first blood date, bro.
Oh, this map is good for camping.
Oh, I did get a kill. I get a kill.
Oh.
Give me the. Let me get pressure a second.
Get over!
Wow, some guy was trying to get some cheese.
Get some cheese?
No, he's got to find a way to get up on the cliffs on the right.
Oh.
Remember to watch that. Look for that. They're already one wave. I mean, one wave in. We respond.
I think Texas wants to be part of the gang.
He's been super obnoxious.
Dude, why the fuck do you M16 ball? It's not fucking hippie. Just go right past.
He's in the tower.
See him.
Yeah, he's not showing himself, so he has to.
I killed that guy twice up there. Someone's found a way, so...
You got him? I'm not sure.
So you guys know where the tunnel is on past the point on the left where you get the entire tank? Above it is
So
like
the red
castles. Yeah, there's some castle structure above it. No, some guy got up there. I'll have to watch the replay, see what he did. I'll put my position right up the point.
We have an enemy northeast.
I just got sniped off.
Tower.
Stop shooting!
I'm gonna go help Shane.
Yeah, I'm running out of ammo. I don't know how they haven't killed me. Got a few kills.
Come on, yalla, we need to
Oh, front one clip. Suppressed Tabor up the ass.
I can't do anything without the commander, brother. Where is he?
They're lighting up our turret somehow. The fuck is going on in that tunnel?
Oh, fucking dollar termination with SKS.
Truck in the middle.
Alright, let's go!
Run that rock.
Die!
He's dead.
Nice. Yeah, I was out of ammo.
I got my combat.
Oh! Just around the corner.
Hey, who
Just
is
around the
in
corner.
charge here? Where
Fuckhead! You fuckhead!
Move to your car! Grenade out!
Tower.
I'm pushing him.
On your knees! Get motherfucker! Alright, motherfucker! You're in trouble now, asshole!
One left.
Throw your spout, guys! Asshole! Got them!
Bruh?
Good kill. I was trying to be bait for you. Damn, 3 headshots. half my kills.
What the fuck is this guy on about, dude?
He's trying to start shit.
We are moving out. Get ready.
Oh, I hear furious typing.
Shit. Let's do this. Keep your eyes open. Move. Get okay. I'm ready.
Hey, everything is prepared. We can give you fire support when you need it.
Radio.
Whoa, what's
Radio.
All good, all good.
Call for smoke
Okay.
mortars.
Smoke in front of point.
Outpost,
Greatest.
come in. We need smoke cover. Can you fire the smoke here?
Copy. Smoke round incoming.
Top of point.
Really?
On the roof point. He's there. She's there. Guy has a hard.
Nice, dude.
Oh, there's one more in the tunnel. To the left, to the hard left. Like, he was up on this thing coming down. Oh, he's on the outside ledge. Look at this guy. Go fuck yourself. You know what you did?
That's what he wants.
No, put him on the shit list.
Oh, yeah.
Look you, you're doing something really stupid right now.
I'm driving the truck.
There's more, Robert.
God, Burn, move off the road. Move off the road, Burn.
Behind the point, left.
No, you know what? The guy's probably doing the thing where he sits on. You can sit outside on the right, right outside sandbags. Look outside the right point. Sit outside on the sandbags.
You got it.
Nice.
You got the bitch there. Where's our next?
Dude, left side.
Yeah, left side of it.
Got him.
Oh, I see.
I'm ready.
So, dude, you know the spawn camp is this one, right, Muller?
Oh, yeah. I think
It
it's all the way
says-
around.
What I need.
Yep. So I did an observer come with us so we can really make the this.
I need MG3.
Toss, is that you?
Yeah, okay.
Don't even bother doing it. I don't just... Gotta push around the left, cut him off, and just fucking nade the fuck out of them in this spot.
Oh, our favorite Texan cheerleader left.
Oh.
Motherfucker's
Well, we still got
weird.
Moto, whatever.
So passive aggressive. Dude's
Neon
like
tunnel. Two guys in
super
the end of the tunnel.
nice and gets all on Shane's dick for some reason, acting like Shane dogged someone. What the fuck?
Yeah,
I know,
what?
just because I just looked at the profile and was calling the kid by his real name.
I mean, his
and then he
name
got
was
it.
literally Brandon.
Okay, here we are. This is so fine. Quickly, Katasu. Nice.
Dude, okay. Chill the
Oh,
fuck
they're watching the tunnel. Careful.
All right, we copy. Firing chemical mortars.
There's a guy around the corner.
They just waved.
I think he's dead. I think motherfucker's dead. If I die, pick up my RPG.
They're fucking chemmed into there at that point. They're like in two.
A spawn point? We are ready to.
Yeah, boy. Get on the other side, the right side. Is it clear?
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, well, there's damn. They spawned a while ago.
From where?
Left side. He's running off the ramp.
You watching that action?
I will admit it.
I'm still alive!
Pass you.
Where is the radio? We need explosive mortars here, quickly! Are you ready?
No problem, Habibi, keep your heads down!
They're all jumping down from the upper floor of the point.
Just go around the point. Don't go directly into it. We're on the other side of it.
Down.
Got it.
Oh, he came up behind us.
Just ahead! I'm alone! Eyes open!
Copy.
Dude, fuck me.
What?
This guy literally waited for a whole minute to just shoot me.
He spawned again. They wave, so watch out for all the bloody trash. Press B for this mask. Nice.
This Matt, dude, never touch fire. Fuck that shit.
Fuck! Contact west! Contact west!
Get someone else to die. So.
Ouch, ouch!
Enemy west! Enemy west! Target down!
Grenade, man.
Get
This
down!
is very nice.
Reloading! Get out of him! Negative!
Jesus. I'm still waiting for someone to die so I can get a spawn count. Goose, you've been quiet tonight.
Yeah, enjoying myself.
Just want to make sure everything's good. Everything's okay in Goose Land.
He's just vibing, Shane.
Just
Let me say enemy north. Like
Alright.
Sin
these
B.
days.
Totally fine, man. He's
Oh.
vibing. Way.
Watching the right side tunnel.
Are any observers gonna spawn?
Okay.
Who's Fatto build?
We are here to give you fire
Roger,
Right,
someone
yeah.
put a. Okay, never mind. I got it. I got it. We're good. Let's see what I can see. Oh, you can't. Those windows aren't. Alright, here we go. Here you go, Burn. Hold this corner. Just a minute.
Dude, this insurgent has a female voice line.
Ask for a rocket barrage at that location!
Don't mate.
Yeah, I was wondering what the hell that was.
Tripping me
Happy
out.
stepped off.
Over!
Okay, got rockets coming to the other side of the point.
Okay, 1 second.
Stalemate again. Tapping. Got him.
Get waved.
Might be a solo cap.
What's the numbers?
80.
Oh shit.
Shane.
Sorry, man.
Oh, just TK'd me, Shane. It's all good, man.
Send you ahead here.
I bet that did some damage, huh?
They're in that room.
Straight ahead.
I'm gonna grab that mod. your right. They'll be to your right.
Got one on the left.
Let me be the guinea pig.
On the right. Nice, you got
Right's dead.
That gun I dropped had a rocket launcher, rocket barrel grenade.
Oh, God, Matt.
Got him.
Нихуя они тут собрались!
Someone can do it before.
We should not have to run over there. Check.
Are you okay? Do you need help?
Sheesh.
Oh my god. I think it's because it went too far. Would be that.
Chad, you must have been left as a child.